now look at the headlines. Goa Cricket Association divided over BCCI Chief Srinivasan's resignation. President Vinod Phadke supports Srinivasan. Vice President Shekhar Salkar asked him to step down. Sources say it's a 8 versus 7 in the GCA. Goa police pray before the court not to grant bail to the accused Bookies. Police suspect connection with foreign countries, connection with CASK case. Emotional, Raghunath Mashelkar receives Government Vibhushan Award, says the charm of being felicitated in the motherland is different. Increase in the number of seats by 10% for 11th standard, additional divisions to be permitted to schools having adequate infrastructure. Department issues circular. Government brings Pratibha Bima vessel at the MPT from deep sea. Prudent brings to you an exclusive journey of the big ship to the Port Trust boat. And now the news in detail. Goa Cricket Association is divided over BCCI President Srinivasan's resignation on IPL spot fixing scandal. Srinivasan's son-in-law Raghunath Mashelkar, who is the team owner of Chennai Super Kings, is currently behind bars for alleged involvement in betting. GCA President Vinod Phadke opined that it is morally incorrect to ask Srinivasan to step down unless he is found guilty, while Vice President Shekhar Salkar demanded Srinivasan's resignation since his son-in-law is involved in T20 spot fixing. Sources say that it is 8 versus 7 in the GCA right now.
Anti and pro-Srinivasan lobbies are on the job. Voices against BCCI President Srinivasan are getting louder and clearer. But Goa Cricket Association is divided over the issue. GCA President Vinod Phadke feels that involvement of a relative in spot fixing does not prove involvement of Srinivasan. He claimed that GCA is with BCCI President Srinivasan.
एखादो कोण तुजो सोयरो कितें रॉंग हे करता हेचो अर्थ तेणे तेजी ब्लेम तुजेर घेवंक जाय अशें ना न्हू. तो जर रॉंग करता जाल्यार तेका कितें ती पनिशमेंट जातली. आतां फक्त कितें आहा तितून श्रीनिवासनाचो कितें हात आसा का ना हें आतां ती कमिटी एपॉयंट केल्या पळय ती फायंड आवट करतली. आनी ती फायंड आवट करून समज तांकां सांपडलें समज की श्रीनिवासनूय भितर आसा जाल्यार डेफिनेटली ही हॅज टू रिजायन. आनी समज तो तांकां दिसलें की श्रीनिवासनाची हेतून कांयच मिस्टेक ना जाल्यार ताका रिजायन करपाचो प्रश्नूच येना. म्हळ्यार आतां मेरेन तरी एसोसिएशनां तेच्या वांगडा आसात आनी आमी सगळे एसोसिएशन रावल्यात ते कमिटीचे कितें फायंडींग येता तें रावल्यात.
However, Vice President Shekhar Salkar slammed BCCI President and demanded his resignation. He also raised doubt on the committee appointment.
तुम्ही पॉलिटिशियनान जर अशें केलें जाल्यार म्हणून सगळें आतांच रेजिग्नेशन दिवंक लागतलें. यू मीन टू से पवन बंसल डिडंट हॅव मेजॉरिटी विथ हिम. इन स्पायट ऑफ हॅविंग मेजॉरिटी ही स्टेप डावन न्ही बिकॉज यू हॅव टू होल्ड दॅट एक हाय एस्टीम एक दवरूंक जाय न्ही क्रेडिबिलिटी. फॉर दॅट आय थिंक विदाउट स्ट्रगलिंग एंड विदाउट फोर्सिंग पीपल टू स्टेप डावन he may have majority with him. It's not that the majority counts here. But I think at his conscience is clear. I think he should step down. He can come back in September. By the time if everything is over, he can come back in September. आमकां आयज लव दिसता की सांगपाक की BCCIचे आमी आहा म्हणून मेंबर. एक टायम आशिल्लो we used to proudly say that we are member of BCCI म्हणून.
BCCI has appointed a judicial commission to probe role of BCCI President Srinivasan into alleged IPL spot fixing scandal. Committee will submit its report after 15 days. Dr. Shekhar Salkar has raised doubt over the inquiry.
They have not given that committee time. They have given time. It might take 2 years for that committee to come out with this. Is it easy? Have you ever seen that some committee has come out with report in 8 days or 10 days? Police only will take some 10 years to complete this case. So it is not easy. It is very well said and done that we have appointed a committee. As on today, how many committees we have seen the appointed committee has given something and on that some action is taken? Nothing.
म्हाका तरी दिसना ही कमिटी आसा पळय ती टोटली सेपरेट आहा BCCIच्या हितूंतल्यान आनी म्हाका दिसना तो प्रेशरायज करीतसो.
As per BCCI's constitution, if at all BCCI members opt for ouster of Srinivasan, it will need a majority vote of 24 out of 31. BCCI has 30 state association votes and one of President himself. The magic number is 24. Various media reports say, as of now, 6 out of 30 associations are still with Srinivasan, 18 against, and 6 are fence-sitters. Though anti-Srinivasan lobby seems having numbers to call a special meeting to discuss ouster of Srinivasan, the magic number is still far. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Goa police have prayed before the court of JMFC Mapusa not to grant bail to the accused bookies involved in illegal betting. Police suspect that the bookies might have foreign links. Goa police also feel that the case might be connected with the Chennai Super King case probed by Mumbai police. However, counsel of the accused bookies claims his clients are normal bookies having no links with the Mumbai investigation. The hearing on the bail has been postponed to Friday.
Court of the Judicial Magistrate First Class in Mapusa has postponed the bail hearing of alleged bookies to Friday. One of the accused, Amit Jayantilal Popat, has moved a bail application before the JMFC. The bookies have been remanded to 5-day police custody. Counsel of applicant says his clients are normal bookies.
छोटे मोटे नॉर्मल बुकीज हैं, लेकिन प्रोसिक्यूशन इनको बॉम्बे के मैच फिक्सिंग से कनेक्शन देके इस केस को बढ़ा चढ़ाकर बोलना चाहते हैं. ऐसे ये लोग आपस में छोटे मोटे बेट्स खेलते थे जो कि बेलेबल है.
Goa police have prayed before the JMFC not to grant the bail to the alleged bookies as the investigation is in preliminary stage and the accused are distracting the investigation, giving vague answers. Police sources mentioned possibility of connection with foreign countries, money from betting could be used to fund terrorists, money could be used to work against security of India. Goa police said the accused persons are required to find out their involvement and also to find out as to how many more persons are involved. They also need to know the money transactions and other operations which are to be verified. Police say it has to be verified as to how the accused persons obtained such huge number of SIM card connections and under whose name. It is also known that team of Goa police has gone to Ahmedabad for further investigation in the case. There are fillers that the accused person involved in this case also has links with the case which is being investigated by the Mumbai police. Goa police have prayed that the bail application moved by the accused person will be rejected. The hearing of the bail application has been postponed to tomorrow. Meanwhile, arrested bookies are on a 5-day police remand.
पण आयज बेल जावना तेंची तेंचो एडवोकेटूच येवना.
एडवोकेटाक टायम दिल्लो, कोर्टान टायम दिल्लो.
हय आयज एडवोकेट येवना आनी फाल्यां दवरल्या ते.
A raid was conducted by Goa police at Kandoli on 27th May. 6 bookies were arrested red-handed while accepting bets from various callers using 46 mobile phones, 4 laptops in a villa at Kandoli. Amit Popat, Ketan Chowda, Ritesh Patel, Paresh Asarpota, Sandeep Asarpota, Nikunj Lalan were arrested. Reporter Shamsundar Fatte for Prudent.
Noted scientist Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar was honoured with the Government Vibhushan by the Government of Goa on Thursday at Kala Academy in Panji. Mashelkar was awarded the highest state civilian award for excelling in various fields at national and international levels. The function was held on the occasion of Goa Statehood Day.
We will do that. We will visit that temple. I have my personal faith and belief that Goa is destined to become what we portray in that particular report, Goa Golden Jubilee Development Committee report. Sir, what touched me most was the idea of that report was born in one regime and the report was submitted in another regime. And it is incredible how that report was accepted with one single voice, one Goa. Goa addressed to us, how do we want to matter to Goa more, Team Goa. I mean, it was an incredible feeling. So just counting, I've stayed on this earth now for close to 28,000 days. And if you ask me what is the most precious day of my life, precious evening of my life, I would say it is this. But something that comes from your Janmabhoomi is the most precious. And that's why this evening is so special to me.
जाल्यार दोतोर माशेलकारान 2035च्या विजन डॉक्युमेंटान जे मांडला ते म्हाका दिसता बेजिकली हार्ड वर्क, पॉझिटिव्ह मायंडसेट एंड लव फॉर युअर प्लेस. आयज अशा एका व्यक्तीक आमी हो पुरस्कार दिता हाजो म्हाका अभिमान आसा.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.